Come on, children, find the value of 40 divided by 98.
Ma'am?
You're supposed to divide with minus 20. So in this...
Ma'am, I have one small doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Ritu.
In last bit, I got 5 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. So 5 by 6 divided by 1 by 6, the reciprocal of 1 by 6, 6 by 1.
Yes.
We should multiply. That's it only, no?
Yes, this is negative sign is there, so that it becomes minus 5. Yeah. Ritvik.
Ma'am, it is minus 1 upon 49.
Yeah, it's a denominator negative is there, I think.
Yes, ma'am, I got minus
Yeah,
1.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Right,
Ma'am,
right.
how minus 1, ma'am? Actually, the symbol, the sign is not in, ma'am.
Question is only is 1 by 6, right? 1 by minus 6. Minus 1 by 6. Ritvik, question it seems only, it's what is the question in that? The question is only the part of whatever the given part.
Ma'am, the question is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2.
So it is the minus 1 by 6 you will get a denominator portion. Subtraction you will get minus 1 by 6. Reciprocal of minus 1 by 6 is 6 by minus 1 or else minus 6 you can write.
Okay, yeah, ma'am. Minus 1 by 2. Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Yeah. That is the silly mistakes done by the students. That is only the silly mistakes done by the students. Come on, see here. Concentrate here. Your concentration is somewhere.
Ma'am, 1 upon minus 20.
1 upon minus 20.
Yes, ma'am.
So this can be written as 2 ones are 2.
Ma'am, 20.
Yes, 2.
Ma'am, 20 ones are 22s are.
So 2 again you can
Ma'am,
reduce.
2 ones are 2 49s are.
Very good. It's nothing but minus
49. Minus 1 upon 49.
Right. Next one. See, children, listen. You're supposed to join in time. If you are any case late means you have to give us some concern later so that I am late from your parent. You have to admit or else.
Again.
Yes. Next one, minus 6 divided by, yes.
Ma'am, you can explain again some. Shiva Pranav is telling, explain once more.
Okay. Pranav, see here, the same procedure what you are doing, the same 40 divided by 98. Division becomes what? Division becomes multiplication.
Multiplication.
Ma'am, you wrote 98, ma'am.
98. Reciprocal of this means 1 by minus 20. 21s are 22s. 21s are 22s are I cutted 20 and 40. So again here 2 ones are 2 half of 98.
49.
Half of 98 is nothing but 49. But denominator you see numerator you are having only ones. Denominator you are supposed to see the sign also very important. So it becomes minus 49. Always you are writing a standard form so that 1 by 49 you can write in your answer. This is the way. Next, minus 6 divided by minus 6 divided by minus 6 divided by minus 16 by 17. Same like minus 16 multiplied with 17 by numerator and denominator, we can cancel those. 6 into 6, so that 16 and 6 can common as 2. 17 3 times. What is the value of 17 3 times? 17 3 times 60.
Ma'am, minus 51 upon 8. Ma'am, minus 51 upon 8.
No minus 60. Minus already cancelled.
No, ma'am, plus.
Where is the sign?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is plus. That's why I'm telling, for always signs are like our parents. So you supposed to carefully observe them. Yeah, 51 upon 8 can be written as, come on, quick, quick. 88. 8 8s are 48. Leftover 3 by 8.
6 3 by
Ma'am,
8.
6 3 by 8.
I'm 6 3
Ma'am,
by 8.
6 3 by 8, ma'am.
Sorry, it's 6 3 by.
Ma'am, record the class.
Yes, I recorded only. Mahavir, Mahavir, please respond, Mahavir.
It's already recording.
Mahavir, Mahavir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next question, please try to give
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer. Why very quiet today in the classroom?
Ma'am, because like there's a little bit of network issue, so I'm not able to hear you. So I'm just seeing the board.
Okay, Mahavir. Okay. Right now. See, can you please answer the question what I gave on the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so first we need to like 9 ones are and minus 9 minus 2. So it will be
Ma'am,
ma'am 9 ones are and 9 twos are.
Okay, right.
Oh, ma'am, you did not write the question.
Yeah, I didn't complete yet. I will complete now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mahavir. 9 ones are.
Ma'am, so 9 ones are and 9 twos are.
Okay. Is it negative number? Negative
Uh,
minus of minus become plus. So only 5 by 14 divided by
yes, ma'am.
62. Come on, simplify.
Divided by 9 by 62.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am is equals to 5 by 14 multiplied by 62 by 9.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, so
Mahavir, please stop. Nikhil, can you please respond and give the answer reply for rest of the part?
Ma'am,
Nikhil.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Nikhil, 5 by 14 multiplied with 62 by
ma'am, can I say the answer?
9. So any simplification part you please see here. Any simplification part here, please.
Ma'am, 2 sevens are 14. 2 31s are 62.
Yes, 31 5s are.
Ma'am, it's 155
It's 9
by
7.
36.
9 7s are.
36.
Huh? 7 9s are. 60.
No, ma'am, 63.
Come on, please do that. It's 2, whatever leftover part, please tell me. I think 126. You need to subtract from 55.
Ma'am, 229 by 30, 63, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, right. Nikhil, I think Nikhil have a network issue. He is trying, but we are unable to take the call. Okay, children, can you practice bits? Can I give practice bits for you today?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, write down,
yes,
children.
ma'am, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am, it's like homework.
Yes. Every day you're supposed to do the work, children.
Yes, ma'am. This is homework.
No, now what I'm giving, that is your work.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Write down the homework part. Shall I clear the screen, children? Any doubt in today's class, please let me know. Put in the chat box IDK so that I can help.
Numerator has
Oh, ma'am, I don't
negative
have
signs,
any
we
doubt in
can
this
cut
class.
it.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
don't have any doubt
the
today.
numerator has negative signs, so we can cut it.
Yes.
Excuse
Both are
me, ma'am.
negative multiplied with negative because yes, Aditi.
Ma'am,
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
1 minute. You supposed to raise your hand so that I can see student is having a doubt. I can call you. Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am, good evening.
Sir, good evening, sir.
And good evening, students. Ma'am,
Good
Good
evening.
evening,
Sir,
sir.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
yes, good evening to all of you. Ma'am, as discussed,
Sir,
let student to reply privately if they have a doubt.
sure, sir.
Unnecessarily, they should not say, sir, I don't have, ma'am, I don't have a doubt.
Okay.
There is no point. If they have doubt, let them to reply privately.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
That much speaking is not required by the students.
Okay.
Okay, so your voice should be maximum. Wherever they have doubt, they can reply you privately.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Please take care.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Right. Yeah. See, Aditi.
Ma'am, can you once explain the eighth question? Divide 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3
Yeah.
and
Just
1 by 3 minus 1
eight.
by
Wait,
3.
Aditi. Eighth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say the question once again? Can you repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am. Divide 1 by 2 plus 1
Just a
by
minute,
3.
ma'am. Just a minute. I'll little zoom out so that the children can see the part, complete part. Hmm. Yeah. What is the question, Aditi?
Divide 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3.
Yeah. I got the question. So you should divide with 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. I think so. This is the question. So
Yes,
if,
ma'am.
yeah, this is like addition. This is like addition of rational numbers. This is subtraction of rational numbers. In addition of rational numbers, since both are unlike rational numbers, first you need to make as a like rational numbers. To make as a like rational numbers, you have to find the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is nothing but 6.
2 into 3, ma'am, which is 6.
So you have to multiply first fraction with a 3, second fraction with a 2. This is the first part. So here the numerator is 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 6 you are getting. This should be divided with the same way you have to do for subtraction. Here also, what is the LCM of, since both are unlike, you make them as a like so that you are going to find the LCM. 2 and 3 are consecutive numbers. The LCM is 6. So you can see this 6 means you have to multiply the first fraction with a 2, second fraction with a 3. So here the part is 2 by 6 minus 3 by 6. You see, children, here this is a like, so this we can combine the numerator. 3 plus 2 is 5 divided by 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 is nothing but, what is the value of 2 minus 3, Aditi?
Minus 1.
minus 1.
Yeah, minus 1 upon 6. Now you have to see 5 divided by 6 multiplied with 6 by minus 1. Here cancel 6, 6. 5 upon minus 1 can be written as minus 5. Minus 5 is the answer. Hope your
Okay, ma'am.
doubt is clear, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Raghav, what's your doubt?
Actually, I don't have a doubt. I mean that I was just asking that whether you can give a worksheet.
Yes, you have worksheet. You're supposed to do the questions. This is as usual what we are discussing and the concept wise I'm giving every day in the classroom. So you're supposed to do the worksheet part. I will upload, children. I will upload in the Google Classroom or WhatsApp group also. I can. Today I'll post maximum. The questions are completed.
Upload it in Google.
Listen first. All concepts are over in this, so that I will complete the chapter worksheet I will give for you, so you can practice your free times.
Yes, ma'am, because there will be more
Yes.
sums in the worksheet. And
Once chapter is over, I will upload immediately the worksheet part, so that you can practice, the number of questions.
Okay,
Since
ma'am.
today is almost most of the concepts are completed. Let me write a few parts questions in the as a homework for you today. This is a mandatory. Every day you have classroom little homework, children. What are the concepts we completed? Based on that, you're supposed to work out. And every chapter wise, you have complete a picture of your worksheet of your chapter. Complete picture means you may have in that the different concepts what we covered in our chapter. You can practice all sums. Okay, right,
you are
children?
going,
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
you are going to post a new worksheet in the group.
Yes. Today complete. I think all concepts are completed. You can take 2-3 days time, and you can complete the worksheet, because in
Oh, okay, ma'am.
maximum
Ma'am,
questions. No,
when we are going
Ma'am,
to
we need
send.
to submit.
yes, you have to Google Classroom. You have to supposed to submit.
Ma'am, how we can submit in Google Classroom, ma'am?
You
Please, you
can
can
take
repeat.
images of your through scan camera. so that you can convert into a PDF. You can upload your whatever the work assigned to you, so that you can reply to me.
Okay, ma'am. I will send it, ma'am. Ma'am, you can post today, ma'am.
Okay, okay, right. Yeah, come on, children. Homework part. Please complete the task. This is mandatory. I have to. You suppose because you are not seeing physically, at least you have to take initiative to complete your homework, children. I think there are few students still having doubt. Ritvik, any doubt, Ritvik? Ritvik, I think Ritvik is talking with someone. He's not concentrate here.
No, ma'am. I'm talking with my parents, ma'am. I don't know this. No, I was.
Yeah, please complete. You have to concentrate here. The questions are.
No, ma'am. I'm talking. Yes, ma'am.
Come on. These are the homework questions for today. You can divide first bit 6 by. This all sums regarding to your division part, children. Shall I take new screen? You can see freely. Just
Yes, ma'am, you can take on the new screen, ma'am.
yeah, so that you can today's homework part. Divide.
There,
6 by minus 6 by 7, and other question we have minus 9 by 22 by minus 9 by 22 by minus 27 minus 27. This is 22, it's minus 27, it's minus 27 on 42. Next C bit. You can multiplication but also I will give to them. Simplify. I didn't give three rational numbers. Three rational numbers multiplication similar how I give two rational number multiplication. You can see common factors. We eliminate the common factors, so that whatever leftover part you are writing with the neutralized denominator. This is multiplication of three rational numbers. I like seeing what you are doing in your two rational numbers multiplication. And the other bit is this is minus 1 by 8. This one divide with denominator. They are giving multiplication question 3 by 7.
Ma'am, this C1 we should simplify and do multiplication.
No, simplify means you have to solve the question. So that what you're supposed to do, like multiplication, what are the numerators and denominators have common factors, you have to cut and then you multiply and write.
That means each and every one we should simplify.
See here in 7 table 7 and 63 will go.
Yes, ma'am. 63 will go, and again 7 table 27
three table 27 and
yes.
3 will go. 2 table 2 and 6 will go. Like that you can see all whatever the simplest you can write. How much you can make as a simple you can write. Then you have to write the answer.
Thank you.
okay, ma'am.
How much simple you can make like next one a bit. Come on, children, pick a bit. Minus 5 by minus 5. Sorry, minus 5. It's minus 5.
Ma'am, it's minus 5 or minus 6?
Minus 5 divided by minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 upon 8 multiplied with minus 14 upon minus 13 minus 25. This is one part you have to do. Then with this you have to multiply again 3 by 7. Whatever the result you are getting, that you have to supposed to bracket. You should do first bracket. In this BODMAS rule you have to use. What is BODMAS rule? Bracket should be.
Ma'am, first need to do this problem which is in the brackets,
ma'am.
Ma'am, then division, then multiplication, then addition and subtraction.
BODMAS rule. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
Addition and subtraction, ma'am.
Next, last one. minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7. You have to honestly and your homework, children. If you have really any doubt, please let me know so that I can help you. Don't irritate your parents. What you are doing, what I am doing, I didn't understand. Many things happens. I know that. Why you are not able to do the sum? What you are doing? That is once again shouting on me. This should not happen. If you have any doubt, you can put a personal message on me. And Raghav, any
Ma'am,
doubt?
I understood E1, ma'am.
D1. This
I have
one.
no doubt.
Ma'am, you give extra bracket, ma'am.
Where?
Ma'am, seventh one after big bracket.
This one. This one, ma.
Yes, ma'am. Before minus 1 by 3.
Yes, this is a big bracket only.
Yeah, that's the bracket, ma'am. Minus the small bracket is for minus one.
This is your homework. Raghav, any doubt?
Okay, ma'am.
You are raising your hand. So then if you have any doubt, so that you supposed to let me know so that I can help you. Or else, Nikhil, any doubt? Nikhil. Huh?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Nikhil, please, which bit?
Ma'am, how should we solve?
Ma'am, E1.
Okay, E bit you have to solve first bracket. This part you should solve. Then what you should do? Then you have to do this part. Whatever you are getting first and
Ma'am,
second,
then we
you have
need to do
multiply.
both.
You should multiply both.
Ma'am, putting in bracket.
Question only bigger, but procedure is very similar. Yes, I can see there are two participants raise the hand so that I can.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have one doubt. Minus 1 by 7. When we'll add this followed minus 1 by 3, 5 by 8. After we should divide 14 by minus 5. Then we should go to the minus 1 by 7.
That is first brackets you should do, ma. Ritvik, first you have to simplify the bracket. Simplify the bracket. Whatever the
Yes,
result
ma'am.
you are getting, that result you should multiply with. You should multiply with
1 by 7, minus 1 by 7.
Yeah, because it's a big bracket means you supposed to expand the first bracket thing you are doing. Whatever result you are getting, then you are supposed to divide with 14 by minus 7, Nana. Because it is multiplication. Yes, you can divide with 14 by minus 5. Whatever result you are getting, that you are supposed to multiply with minus 1 by 7. First, yeah, let me.
First we should add the first we should remove brackets and add and divide with 14 by minus 5 and
if the question is given like that, minus 1 by 7 half means you have to do this part 1 second as. Now,
multiplication.
there is no half part. You just imagine this is multiplication. First thing you should do this. This is your first step. After doing whatever the result you are getting, this result and this portion you are supposed to do. This is
Divide with
second step. And second
yes,
step with this part you have to do. This is the third one.
third step. Okay, ma'am, I understood.
Okay.
Thank you for help.
Right.
Ma'am, I also have doubt in that you clarified, ma'am.
Very good. You have to think and do the sums, children, like such a bits. Okay.
Ma'am, I have doubt in F1, ma'am. How can small bracket represent minus?
No, small bracket is only for negative rational number. Why you are having such a doubt in that part, my dear? It's nothing but if without small bracket also you can write this as minus 1 by 7 bracket 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 7. You can write directly also. If you have any such a issue, you can solve that.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, we should do that.
Thank you, ma'am.
First, and then the small bracket is to differentiate between the numbers, which is minus
Yeah, exactly. Nikhil, that is a negative rational number. That's why I kept a small bracket.
Yes, ma'am. That is to differentiate.
Please try it, children. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss in next class. That's all for the day. And worksheet will be uploaded in Google Classroom after 10 to 15 minutes. so that you can complete. You can take your own 2 to 3 days time. You should complete the worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, children? Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
If you're having any doubt, please let me know so that put in the chat box IDK. Right, Sai Kartikeya, thumb finger key. All right, everything. Right, Kartikeya. Okay, children. Bye. See you.
Have a
Bye,
nice
ma'am.
day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.